Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best DDR5 RAM available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Corsair DDR5 RAM. This memory module is designed to deliver strong, system-dependent performance, meaning real-world speed and stability will vary based on your motherboard quality, CPU capability, and overall platform optimization. When paired with a high-end setup, it unlocks its full potential, ensuring smooth multitasking, fast load times, and responsive gaming performance. A standout feature is the dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting system, with 10 individually addressable ultra-bright LEDs per module. Encased in a panoramic light bar design, it produces vivid, evenly distributed illumination that remains highly visible from any viewing angle, making it ideal for showcase builds. The lighting effects can be synchronized for dynamic patterns or subtle ambient glow, enhancing overall system aesthetics. Combined with onboard voltage regulation, partially referenced, it aims to improve stability and power efficiency during demanding workloads. Next up, we have crucial DDR5 RAM. This DDR5 memory kit is engineered for high-performance computing, offering selectable speeds of 5600 MHz, 5200 MHz, or 4800 MHz to match different system capabilities and stability needs. At its peak frequency, it significantly enhances multitasking efficiency and system responsiveness, allowing smoother transitions between applications and reduced loading delays. In gaming scenarios, the improved bandwidth translates into faster data handling, where every millisecond matters, helping deliver more stable frame rates and a competitive edge in fast-paced titles. The kit also supports intelligent downclocking, ensuring flexibility by balancing power efficiency and performance depending on workload demands. Built on optimized DDR5 architecture, it improves overall data throughput and energy management compared to previous generation memory, making it suitable for both heavy productivity tasks and immersive gaming. Whether running demanding software, streaming, or gaming, this memory ensures consistent responsiveness and reliability, making it a strong upgrade choice for users seeking speed, stability, and future-ready performance in modern PC builds. Coming in at number 3, G.Skill DDR5 RAM. This 32GB DDR5 memory kit, 2x16GB, is built for high-performance desktop and gaming systems, delivering strong capacity and speed balance for modern workloads. Rated up to DDR5-6000 with tight CL36-36-36-96 timings at 1.35V, it offers excellent bandwidth for gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking while maintaining stable operation when properly configured. As a non-ECC DDR5 UDIMM 288-pin kit, it is designed specifically for desktop platforms and is not intended for server-level error correction use. It includes a standard JEDEC profile for basic compatibility, along with both AMD Expo and Intel XMP 3.0 overclocking profiles, making it easy to enable optimized performance on supported systems. Compatibility spans a wide range of modern chipsets including Intel Z790/Z890 series and AMD X670/B650 and newer platforms. However, it is crucial not to mix memory kits, as matched modules are tested to work together. Mixing can cause instability or system failure. Now at number 4, Lexar DDR5 RAM. The Lexar Thor Z-Series RGB DDR5 32GB kit, 2x16GB, is built for users who want next-gen performance paired with strong visual appeal. Running at a high 6000 MHz with CL38 latency, it delivers excellent bandwidth for gaming, multitasking, and demanding professional workloads, ensuring smooth responsiveness even in heavy system loads. Its 32GB capacity makes it ideal for modern AAA gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks where memory headroom matters. The design is equally impressive, featuring a streamlined aluminum heatsink with a sandblasted finish that not only enhances durability but also provides efficient thermal dissipation to maintain stable performance under pressure. The vibrant, customizable RGB lighting adds a bold aesthetic layer, allowing synchronization with other components for a unified build theme. Internally, ONDI-ECC improves data integrity while the PMIC ensures stable and efficient power delivery. Finally, our last pick, Clev DDR5 RAM. Clev Cross-V RGB memory represents a premium approach to high-performance DDR5 design, backed by Essencore's industry expertise and SK Hynix IC integration, ensuring strong reliability and top-tier silicon quality. Engineered for extreme performance, it pushes speeds up to an impressive 8,000 metric tons per second, making it suitable for enthusiasts targeting aggressive overclocking and maximum system bandwidth for gaming, content creation, and heavy workloads. The kit's compatibility caution highlights the importance of checking motherboard QVL lists to ensure stable operation at such high frequencies. Aesthetically, the Cross V-RGB stands out with a unique hollow linear RGB design that delivers vibrant, multi-angle illumination, enhancing any modern gaming build. Its tone-on-tone aluminum heatsink not only adds a sleek futuristic look but also ensures efficient thermal control under sustained load. Despite its high-speed focus, it maintains practical design considerations with a low-profile structure for broader system compatibility. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.